The team at Python develop and manufacture a range of specialized masonry fixings. We have successfully engineered the only proof-tested solution on the market to mechanically secure elements to existing masonry structures.
With this Python screw, we can just drill the hole, set the limit of that screw, just to make sure that it doesn't have any blowout at the back. Put the screw with the low impact hammer drill, that's done.
Like they save you a lot of unhidden costs as well, which we're not digging up any ground and disturbing any services.
Unlike conventional methods, Python fixings don't rely on a chemical bonding agent for their strength. This dramatically reduces installation times and provides immediate, full-strength structural connections, as well as being a more environmentally friendly and toxin-free option.
Epoxy system is actually a bit more time-consuming in terms of installing them, because for epoxy you have to drill the hole, put the epoxy, and then put the bolts, but at the same time you have to wait for some time to dry it off before you put some kind of loading.
It's also more foolproof with chem setting. You never know how much chem set is actually physically gone into the hole.
For Python screw, you don't have to wait for any time to dry or any time to load it for some kind of construction loading.
It's a reliable and a simple solution. There's no second guessing. The streamlined construction process can lead to a 5 times cost saving when compared to conventional fixing systems.
We can approximately save about 30–40% of time in just installing Python screw.
In terms of cost, fantastic. In terms of time, really efficient.
You're only using a 6 or 8 mil drill bit compared to a 20 or 16 mil.
You don't have to train someone else specifically just for this one. You can probably just train for 10 screw, and that's it. You can do thousands of it. We actually have like 3,000 of these installed.
The use of Python systems allows for simpler structural solutions. All you need is a drill.